Hi guys, Rich Pasini here from rjpasini.com. I'm coming to you today to talk about two little windows I got opened up, how to size jeans and remove and background burner. So if you got those pictures that you want to remove that background because you don't like the way it came out or you want to look more professional, check it out. It's coming up. Okay, the first window we got opened up over here is from WikiHow, and the URL is www.wikihow.com. And for those of us, myself included, who don't know how to size up jeans, this might be the way to go. Check out this site. I'm not going to expand too much on it. I'm just going to scroll down and let you look at it really quick. You already got the URL. And like I said again, if you're a guy like me who don't know how to size up the jeans, I'm not afraid to, I'm not ashamed to admit it. I didn't know. I always would go into a department store and just, look for my waist size and my length, and that was it. I was good to go. But apparently there's a little more involved in here if you want to do it the right way. So you can see here, I'm just going to scroll down really quick here, and you could check it out. It's got a lot of good information on here. Be honest with you, I never really thought much about this here. I mean, I heard the terms inseam rise, but I never really got around to actually using it. Although there was, I think, one case I was selling my daughter's jeans, and I did get a message from a woman saying what's the rise and what's the inseam and stuff like that there, and and get yourself a good tape measure too. That would help out, So yeah, it's always good to know. But if you're a person that's not familiar with the jeans, and they also have for like jackets too, if you have to measure shirts. WikiHow has a lot of that, but I basically was selling the jeans, so this has helped me out, I just wanted to share some information with you. This is an active hyperlink. If you want to see the 17 denim size chart, you could click on right over here, and it will bring you to that window there. Okay, but for all intents and purposes, I'm going to keep this video really short, so you guys could check it out, and you get an idea what it's all about here. Okay, so I'm going to go and scroll down this a little fast here, just to give you guys a little update. All right, and I want to just I'm getting close to the bottom here. You guys could check the rest of this out, folks, when you get the chance, especially for, like I said again, for us guys who don't know or we're not too familiar with it. This will be very good. This is a good helpful tip, I think. All right, and that's the 17 denim size chart again. I do have active hyperlinks, so you click them on, it will take you to that website. Okay, finding a pair of jeans that fit. Low rise, mid rise, high rise. Okay, and again, it's very important that you have that tape measure. Yeah. Pretty cool though. I mean, you got stuff. It's just a good site. I love it. I love this site. And the same thing, like if you got to measure jackets and stuff like that, WikiHow has a thing too on how to measure the jackets too, which is another one. That's also good to know. But right now, for all intents and purposes, I want to keep this short. So, we're going to leave it at that right now. So I don't want to get too much in here. All right. So basically, we got some, what is this here? Some comments, I guess, questions and answers. Okay. You could check that out if you want, folks, for yourself. The next window I want to go up to, or should I go to, will be the remove image background. This is a cool program, folks, here. It's you can remove background images, right? It says background burner quickly removes the background from any image or photo. Our patented technology does all the work for you automatically. Free online tool automatically removes the background from images. Make your image backgrounds white or transparent. Fully automated, batch processing available with our new professional edition. Now, I'm going to just pop a window up here. I got to, take a photo. I got one over here. And as you can see here, let's try to get something like this background over here. Let's check this out. Watch how this works, folks. It's really good. If you're not familiar with it, check it out. Gotta give it a little time to load up. Look at this. Fire breathing dragon comes out. Now, sometimes it comes out good, and then sometimes there's certain things it might take out. You could always, do it all over again. Right now, it's saying loading up more, so it's loading up more results. And but look at the difference, though. I mean, I put that background there just like for to help it out a little for Christmas. But you can see over here, it's completely gone. Well, of course, you're not going to use that, of course. But let me show you another one. Let me go back and let's see if we can do another one here really quick. All right, let me go back. I'm going to have to go back really quick here, folks. Bear with me for 1 second. Okay, let me go back over here, and show you something that's a little more resolution wise. Like, you'll get a better idea. Let's try this one here, the lollipop or Tootsie Roll Pop. Let's see. There you go. Look at that. Does that look a lot better than the than have it the other way? I mean, with the other background in there like that. Look, it takes it right out. Look at that, and it looks so nice too. And if you want to use it, of course, if you select this here, folks, just to let you know, you probably say, okay, what do I do now? You just, when you select it, make sure you get the one that has. On this one here, I took the stem off here. When you're saving it, let's see here. Let me see just one more time here. I want to just see something here. Okay, original image, background image. How to get the best results? Okay. Oh yeah. All right. So you got to download it. I'm sorry, folks. It's been a while since I used it. Sorry about that. You can download it with the transparent background or download with the white, and you can it downloads as a JPEG. So you click that on here. Let's see, is it doing? Oh, it's up here. Okay, so it's downloading. You can see the little thing spinning around, and then you could save it to whoever you want to save it to, or whatever file you keep, and you could open it up. And what do we got here? Hopefully, it'll take me to my pictures. It's really a great program. I mean, I have a program where, I don't know which one it was, but I used to do it back in the day. Yeah, and there it is. And then you could use that. You could import that into your eBay listings. But back in the day, folks, we used to use Paint. I would go into it. I copy this onto a Paint project, right, from Microsoft Paint, and then I would take the tools that you could use to what do you call it there, edge around it and stuff. And I used to, click on the white, and I would go all around it with the mouse like this here, trying to get it to the closest part of it. And I would go hit over here. Sometimes my hand would slip. I'd take some of this off, take some of that off, and then you could also undo it. And then you got to start all over again. So time consuming. But with this here, folks, I mean, look at the time it saves. I mean, look at before and after. I don't know if I gave you the URL. Let me give it to you right now, folks. It's https://burner.bonanza.com. Okay, and that's what you're looking for, and it's a /background. Or if you can't find it, folks, just do a Google search, Bonanza burner, background burner, and it'll bring you to that there. And it's really good. You could try it out, and let me just get ready to close this out really quick here. Yeah, like I said, it's really good program, like I said, and you don't have to sit here fiddling around with it. Like, that's what I used to do when I had to paint. And I always say to myself, why don't they have something like that? And I'm sure they had them out there. It's just that when it came to that part there, I was never I never really researched it at that time. But now, like I said, I've been doing a lot of researching lately, and whenever I come up with these things there, folks, any tips to help you guys out, help out in reselling, if it can make things in life a little easier for you, I'm going to pop it out there to you guys. So if you do like my videos, folks, and you do like the content I put out, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post new things out, new content, please don't forget to hit that bell notification icon, and you will be updated on when I post new things out. This is Rich Pasini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Have a great day. And if I don't get to talk to you, have a great weekend. But don't worry, I'll be making some more videos, so you'll probably be hearing from me shortly. But thanks again, guys. Bye bye now.